Edo State Government Special Security Squad, wey dem dey call Operation Flush Out Kidnappers and Cultists, don waka do Operation Show of Force for Edo Central and Edo North Senatorial District to show say dem serious to clear cultism, kidnapping and other crimes from the state. For Edo Central, the team visit Uromi Modern Market for Uromi, Ekpoma, Irua and other nearby communities. For Edo North, dem enter Warake, Iyeke Road, Ango 90 and Auchi Polytechnic, where they meet with the school chief security officer. Squad coordinator Amel Lume Demodia Noah warned criminals wey dey plan scatter the senatorial and House of Reps by-election wey go shele August 16, 2025, say make dem not try am, say the squad go join hand with other security agencies to make sure say wahala no go shele and anybody wey misbehave go face law. Noah come also here and say dem get correct information say some cultists dey plan cause gbege during and after election, but come promise say any attempt go meet strong response. I can't tell our papas and mamas them say make them warn their pikins them, say anybody wey them catch go hear am from the law. On top the tori wey dey fly for social media say gunfire shele for Auchi Polytechnic, Noah come clear the air say na lie, say when they reach everywhere calm. Say na police arrest some cultists wey wan spoil graduation celebration and say them still dey follow up the matter.
We are at Edo Central at the moment. We brought our movement train to Edo Central in respect of the combat against cultism and kidnapping in Edo State. Like we said initially, the governor has given us the mandate to take the movement across the three senatorial districts of Edo State. At the moment, we've been able to come around Edo South, but now we are in Edo Central. On around places, the major purpose here is based on some rumors that we're hearing. Like we said initially, our committee is not politically inclined. We are doing this for the benefit of Edo people and for our own good too. We heard that some persons are trying to, mastermind or lure persons to, as in cultists, disrupt and cause menace during the electoral process. Please, we advise every ward parents and even the young folks here that you should please stay out of crime. Whoever wants to use you for this purpose, please just avoid it, because you will be caught. Like we said, we are closer to you, we watch you, we see you. We have names, we have phone numbers and addresses. But because the governor, with his wisdom, he gave us a mandate that we should give a month ultimatum to all those that still have room for repentance. That after a month, whatsoever any of the court group members that don't renounce, say, they will pay it accordingly. They will face the full wrath of the law. And we would advise the people of Edo Central to be law-abiding during the election, which comes up on the 16th of August. And like you've seen, we've not really done anything like you want to say, bring in political level as in harassment. We've not gone to any other places apart from us doing our major duty. But we still warn that if you're being manipulated or being paid to cause chaos during this process, you'll be arrested and prosecuted according to the law. And we would not tolerate any form of, of lawlessness in Edo State. Thank you all.
Now you've done a lot of work in Edo South.
Central, our inter too, we work together. If we have situations that we cannot really handle from where we're coming from, we just quickly alert them and they do the job for us. But it's only when they need more power, then we join them up. So in fact, the governor has put things in place, so everything is going on. The same goes to Edo North, just like it is in Edo Central.
What will you intend to see that will make you to say
like I told you initially, I don't want us to start singing praises. I said we will not sing praises until we get to a point where we are really satisfied. At the moment we are satisfied, But we are not still satisfied because we still hear one or two criminal activities here and there. It's not just based on cultism alone or kidnap. Even the micro criminal activities are going on, it still disturbs the state. So what we intend to do is to completely eradicate this act. We want Edo to be peaceful for us all, to be a loving state like we want it to be. Because Edo people are law and abiding people. From the whole look of things, I would not want to say we don't entertain strangers, but I believe some of these criminal activities that are happening in those states are perpetrated by foreigners, especially. But we still want our citizens, those that aid them, to please stay out of the aiding aspect of it, because if you are caught, you'll be treated likewise. We had a distress call yesterday, and we even saw the video of what was happening in Auchi, Gate 1. And for that reason, we quickly swift into action, and we got to Auchi at the very early hours of today. Luckily enough, we apprehended some of the persons involved, but some are at large. And the persons have been apprehended, been handed over to the police for further investigations and interrogations. And we still use the opportunity to stop by right now in Ekpoma, where I'm granting this press report, to still go around, because although nothing serious is really happening in Ekpoma, but just to keep the public notified that we are still on ground. In case hoodlums here, they should be aware that we are not sleeping. You can see it's raining heavily. We're walking tirelessly under the rain, because we have decided to say enough is enough. Thank you. From the whole point of view, like I told you, we are not investigators, we are not police officers. So I cannot really disclose so much about what's really going on now, so as not to give you a wrong information. But from what we gathered, we heard that it was a power torso thing that we could not really, explain much about. But at the end of the day, we have apprehended some persons. I think they will give the police more information of what really transpired.
Auchi Polytechnic PRO Dr. Angela Igele also talks say no gunfire shele for the school. She can remind everybody say the school no dey tolerate cultism, and anybody wey try am go face quick expulsion after due process. She also talks say the graduation peaceful well, and the videos wey dey online na fake. Dr. Igele con hail Governor Monday Ekpoma security style and con promise say the school go continue work with Edo State government to keep peace for the state.
There were no shootings in Auchi Polytechnic. On campus, students graduated. The morning students graduated on Wednesday this week, and it was peaceful. We did not get reports of shootings anywhere on campus. And we did not get reports that there were shootings in front of the school gates. No reports, no deaths anywhere. Students finished well, and they've all gone home. And you will agree with me, while you walked in, the campus was quiet and calm. So the Polytechnic is calm. No reports of any deaths whatsoever, no cult-related activities. Because Auchi Polytechnic has zero tolerance for cultism. They know the Riot Act. If a student is caught in any cult activity, the student is immediately expelled. So for years now, we've not actually had reports of cult activities on campus. And we also align with the governor's take on cultism. He's doing quite a lot to see that there is peace in the state. And we as an institution, the rector of the Polytechnic, Dr. Salisu Shehu Umar, also aligns with that vision. So we have no place for cultism or cult-related activities on campus. The videos making rounds certainly are doctored videos. For what reason, we do not know, but certainly there were no shootings on campus or in front of the gates that we know of. Thank you.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. Ekata Ojesele. TMC News.